My creative outlet is dancing, but today I'm racing toward my goals with everything I plan. I live by Proverbs chapter 21, verse 31, that we do work, but the Lord brings the wind. A reminder that true victory rests with the Lord.
Hello everyone, I am Leeds Lawrence Wallace, and I love the challenge by pedaling hard on my bicycle. My secret weapon, it is Mark chapter 10 verse 27, which reminds me that even when the finish line is impossible to reach, but with God, all things are possible.
Again, I'm Zaid,
And I am pleased.
and we are geared with faith and ready for the finish line. Your muse,
Your escort,
representing the Purple Legion!
Okay, so let us give them another well-deserved applause.